Here's a quick tip on moving bitmap data around in Figma. Figma is amazing, and most of it's super, super easy and simple. There are a couple hang-ups, and so I'm going to just walk through those. So first thing is copying and pasting from a browser. So if I come into a browser, here's an image, I do copy, I come over here, I shift-click into that, I do Command V, and it's very easy. Now, if I want to do the same thing from within Figma, it doesn't work. If I do Command C on this image layer and do Command V, it doesn't work. That's simply because once it's in Figma, it's not copying the bitmap data, it's copying the entire layer, and I can't paste a new layer into an existing component. So what I have to do is do Command Option C, come into here and do Command Option V, and that's copying and pasting the layer styles. And I added this stroke so you can see that it's copying and pasting all of the layer styles in that layer. So really the workaround for that is to just keep the uh, bitmap data on a separate layer from the other styles. That seems to be the fastest thing for me. Then the third thing is in Photoshop, um, copying and pasting. Generally what I have been doing, there's so many different problems. If you bring in like a raw image, for example, it's massive, it's way too big for Photoshop to export. I've had issues with those types of files in Figma. So what I do is just bring up the marquee tool, or you can bring up the clipboard, Command Control Shift F4, and you can do this. I won't do that. Let's see. I won't do that now, but I'll just do a marquee tool in Photoshop. So then that's easy. So then you just put it here. You have to do Shift Command C, which copies the whole stack, right? Otherwise, it'll just copy this layer. And I don't want that. I want to copy the whole stack. So I do Shift Command C, come back into Figma, and then Command V, because now it's just normal clipboard data. And sure enough, there it is. So that's pretty much it. Man, it's so cool. It's such a cool tool. I've been using it full time about a month now, and absolutely love it. Uh, um, but yeah, there's been a few different hangups, and this has been one. And I just thought I'd share that. I couldn't find other videos that explain it very easily. So